Alrighty. I'll give it a couple minutes as some people jump in here. Here's your box info though. Base Prizm Silver Ruby Wave Green. We got the pink pulsar number to 42 possibility. I will say I got a case of 20 of these. This is box number 4 or 5. And we haven't pulled a pink pulsar yet. One of my friends, I think he said he pulled 2 or 3 out of one case. So hopefully we have that same kind of luck here. Yeah, it's Instant Impacts, Emergence, USA, Team USA cards, Dominance inserts, and Sophomore Stars as well. And we will get one auto. I haven't gotten points yet, but I'm on a point streak tonight. From the first break, we got 2 points, so I sure hope we don't have that happen tonight. But anyways, Kevin, I did have one unpaid team, but is a buyer from Florida, so it's like it'd have been like 12:30 when that auction went off at night, so we'll let him pay in the morning. Anyways, we got 5 people in here. I know we had more people buying than that, but some people may just watch in the morning. I'll go ahead and cut her open, get the packs out, and let me point this screen down a little bit. I realized it was so far up. I guess it works better with blasters with this a smaller box. So. I think somebody told me the auto is on the left side usually, so I'll try to keep these packs on the left, and we'll pull from the right first. Let's see how that goes. I'll just keep all these on the left, so maybe we can get through the box of ways and not pull the auto in the first pack. Hope they weren't tricking me though. Alrighty. We will go ahead and get started. We got 6 people in here, but I've had a lot of people say that they watch in the mornings and stuff. So if somebody jumps in, we can give them a quick recap, but I'm not going to waste everybody's time. Here we go. Got Eric Bledsoe, J.J. Riddick, an R.J. Hampton emergent rookie, and Xavier Tillman, rookie for the Grizzlies. Oh, almost pulled from the left. I told myself not to do it. Watch the auto be on the right side. That'd be classy. Aaron Holiday, Joel Embiid. Oh, first silver is a good one. Trae Young. Nice looking card there. We got a Peyton Pritchard rookie for the Celtics. And typically I'll go back and sleeve every non-base card and go ahead and top load them as well, because there's only like 90 something cards in this break. I don't really like doing smaller breaks, but these boxes are kind of expensive. So Lou Dort, got a Mike Conley, there's a Dominance Giannis, and a Fred VanVleet base. But yeah, so we'll have 30 or 40 like rookies, inserts, and prisms that I can go ahead and sleeve and top load all those, and do some during the break and the rest afterwards. Royce O'Neal, Otto Porter Jr., got a green Shake Milton, and a Kyrie Lewis Jr. rookie. Cameron Johnson, Nikola Jokic, got a Sophomore Stars, John Morant, Nice one. And Markel Fultz. Rudy Gay. We got our first Ruby Wave here. Mo Bamba. Clint Capella for the Hawks. It's our first Ruby Wave. We got a RJ Hampton True Rookie there. First one we had was like an insert. Devontae Graham. Jaren Jackson Jr. Got a silver sophomore. I thought there was another base card there. Card felt like thick or something. Guess it wouldn't be because we only get 4 per pack. Kendrick Nunn, silver sophomore stars. And a Tyrese Maxey, base rookie. No, that Clint Capella card, it's the only card in the set that has a... I believe it's the only one. It's got a jersey team that doesn't match. So he's got a Rockets jersey on with... They've already got Hawks updated on the team. It's tricky when I go to sort. I gotta pay attention to his cards. I think he's the only one, but yeah, I knew you had the Rockets, so I want to make sure I made that clear because I know you get a little wild on me sometimes. Tim Duncan, Thomas Satoransky, Josh Hart, silver for the Pelicans, and Devin Booker. It was on the right side. Auto's right behind this one. So I guess that's not true. Or maybe I heard the person tell me wrong. Maybe they did say right side. Klay Thompson. And a Peyton Pritchard auto. Now, Kevin, I know you love the Celtics. That's your team. Did you end up getting the Celtics tonight? I didn't even check. Nice silver autograph there. Sweet. We got Anthony Davis, Team USA, and Elijah Hughes, rookie for the Jazz. Oh, no. You got sniped. There's something on the... It's like a fuzzy. There we go. I'm going to get that off there before I put it in the top loader. Hey, there we go. That's a nice card. Yeah, that'll help ease the pain. Kevin's pretty easygoing. Still looking for a pink pulsar. We gotta find one of those eventually here. Joe Harris, Patrick Beverly. Greens haven't been the greatest so far. This one's Derek Jones Jr. for the Heat. And Brandon Clark, second year card for the Grizzlies. Kobe White, Terrence Davis, Isaiah Stewart, Instant Impact, and Cassius Stanley, rookie for the Pacers. Sekou Doumbouya, Steven Adams, got a Dominance, John Morant insert, and RJ Barrett second year card. I wonder if that'll be a big thing. I know I've said that at almost every break, but the second year cards sometimes hold a little bit of value after a while. Danilo Gallinari, Josh Okogie, Ruby Wave, Jarrett Culver for the T-Wolves, and Joe Ingles. I'm happy with that auto we pulled. Those one box, we got some no-name auto. I think we've only had like one other box out of 4 where it was a rookie, so that's nice. And I think it was a base in the last time. Gary Harris, Wesley Matthews, Dirk Nowitzki, Ruby Wave for the Mavericks, and Isaac Okoro rookie for the Cavaliers. Allen Iverson, Frank Ntilikina, got a silver DeJounte Murray for the Spurs, and Luke Kennard. Where are the big boys at? Where's LeBron, Ant-Man, and LaMelo? Anthony Edwards, I've seen a couple of interviews with him lately. They crack me up. He's a pretty comical dude. Just enjoying himself. We should have a Ruby Wave rookie. I think I've gotten one in every break so far, so I would imagine they give you at least one per box. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed for a silver rookie and a Ruby Wave rookie for us all said and done here. Jeff Teague, Mitchell Robinson, Harry Giles, silver for the Kings, and DeMar DeRozan. Now a Chicago Bull, I believe. Montrezl Harrell, Troy Brown Jr., got a Jalen Smith, emergent for the Suns, and a James Wiseman rookie for the Warriors. Matthew Dellavedova, Lou Williams, got a Dominance Paul George for the Clippers, and Darius Garland. Malik Monk, Anthony Davis, got a Zeke Naji emergent rookie. He's got a little corner issue up there on the left side. There's a base emergent rookie there. And CJ Ellaby rookie for the Portland Trail Blazers. Still looking for another Ruby Wave. Bojan Bogdanovic, Karl Anthony Towns, Chris Middleton, Ruby Wave for the Bucks, and Miles Turner. Oh, my stomach's growling. I ate a good dinner. What's going on? Select Basketball. I've been seeing some boxes on eBay for sale. Haven't bought any off eBay. I did get some Topps Chrome Baseball. 2021 Baseball off eBay the other day. I hope it's not a scam because I didn't think that stuff was supposed to come out yet. But somebody had blasters on eBay already. So I bought 5 or 6 of them. They're on their way. If I get something silly in that package, I'm going to be frustrated. Blake Griffin. Cards are stuck together. The base cards are. Dennis Schroeder. Poor Dennis. Got Dwayne Wade silver for the Heat. And Kyle Kuzma. Old Dennis. Turned down $84 million. And what did he end up signing for? Like $5 million with the Celtics or something? Jackson Hayes. There's a Zion second-year card. Silver Caleb Martin for the Hornets. I hope they're not considering this our rookie card. Tobias Harris We've been getting a silver rookie, I'm pretty sure, every box, but the reason I say rookie is because it's got the rookie background, even though it's not a rookie card. I'm hoping that they didn't, like, put that in a rookie pile and consider that a rookie silver for our box. I don't know. It's a weird error card. Maybe, I don't know, maybe the NBA has rookie classifications I don't know about, but I'm pretty sure it's not his rookie year. I know the MLB's got some weird rookie classifications. Yeah, Zion, got a second-year base card there. KCP for the Lakers. Jeremy Grant. Got an instant impact Denny for the Wizards. And Onyeka Okongwu, rookie for the Hawks. Nice little Denny. Alright, we got one pack left. Man, I haven't seen a Ruby Wave rookie. 20% battery. Victor Oladipo. Chris Dunn. Malachi Flynn. Emergent rookie. And Sadiq Bey. Rookie for the Pistons. And I think that's the first box we've had where they didn't have a Ruby Wave rookie, unless I'm forgetting it. Maybe they like skew it if you get a silver rookie auto or something. I think our Ruby Waves are all vets. Man, we'll do a recap here. Pretty tough break. Didn't pull a LaMelo, Anthony Edwards, or LeBron, so you can never put a smile on really with a break like that. But Sadiq Bey, base rookie. You got a Trae Young silver. Therese Maxey base. Got sophomore stars silver. Kendrick Nunn. R.J. Hampton base rookie. Clint Capella Ruby Wave. Sophomore stars John Morant. We also had a dominance John Morant insert. This was our auto. Pretty nice on there. Silver penmanship. Peyton Pritchard. Auto looks pretty good. A lot of times they look at smudges, I guess, for grading, and if it's fully on the sticker, not running off the edge. So, a nice card there. And it looks fairly well centered, too. Nice one for the Celtics. Josh Hart, silver. DeJounte Murray, silver. Isaac Okoro, base rookie. You got a Dirk Nowitzki, Ruby Wave, and Jarrett Culver. And Chris Middleton, all Ruby Waves there. James Wiseman, rookie. Silver Harry Giles. Silver Caleb Martin. I'm almost certain that they're counting that as a rookie for some reason, because we've been getting a silver rookie almost every box. Dwayne Wade, silver, and Denny Avdia, instant impact. But like I say, you got the rookie parenthesis looking things there. And then he's got them on his. It's just kind of weird. And he's got 1920 stats on there, so interesting. Another one of the little error cards that is in the set, I guess. But anyways, sorry, Kevin, for rubbing it in. But nice one there for these Celtics. You guys take it easy. If you need something, shoot me a message. I'll ship the cards out tomorrow. Anyways, you guys have a good night. And yeah, Joe, that was kind of a rough box. Or definitely was a rough box. But we'll catch you guys later. See ya.